small iterative upgrades. So in preparation for Saturday's track day, I'm upgrading my brakes, Paragon P3. So these are mixed use pads. They're semi-metallic for both street and track, but for those of us that drive mostly on the street. I'm also doing the shims, so this will help with the heating. So let's see how they do this Saturday. Driving to Elite Performance Automotive to get my car right for the track day. I'm gonna have them do an alignment, so we'll see what we can do. I don't think I want to pull the pins for the extra negative camber, but I think I'm gonna try to max out the camber as much as possible. We'll see the impact that this has on the track, because I am gonna try to shoot for, at least according to Draggy, second place time. So we'll see. I know when we last left off, I was in my Type R getting track prep done, and that's completed. So now you join me in my Z06. The reason being is, number one, I love driving my Z06 as much as I love driving my Type R. But reason number two, the track day is 2 days from now. It's on Saturday, and I just want to keep the car sitting and kind of waiting and ready for that day. I don't want to put any additional wear on the brakes or the tires. As far as I can tell, those brakes are good. They were bedded correctly, and there's a slight squeal from the P3s, and that's expected because they are a semi-metallic compound. They're not full metallic, they're not full ceramic, so that gives you the good balance between streetability and trackability, since I'm not always at the track. So my consistency, my performance should improve. I want to, again, the Draggy leaderboard, I mean, there's only 6 people on there, but I want to see what the Type R can do. Definitely won't be able to probably do a 216, but hopefully I can take at least that second place spot. But I'm looking forward to that. So I did the brake pads and the brake shims, at least for the front brakes. I drive with, I do the pedal dance and I drive a VSA off, so my rear brakes don't get engaged as much. So I didn't do rear brake shims. But when I last went on track, the brake performance was decent. I only did the brake fluid, and I didn't see any pedal fade. There wasn't really any issues, but I would like to have more bites. I would like to have more consistent performance. I guess since it'll be a hotter day too. Last time I went, it started raining, so I didn't really get too deep into the brakes. But yeah, I had the oil changed. I was gonna get an alignment done, but I decided not to. I want a clean session without an alignment done. But the car is all ready to go, and I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to it. If any of you subscribers go to G2 Motorsports Park, or you know where it's at in the North DFW area, come out. I think there's already a couple of you that are, that I exchanged some words with, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there and meeting you in person. But for anybody else that's in this area, feel free to join. You don't have to get on track. It would be actually nice to just meet you, and if you have a car that's decently set up, take pictures together. I would welcome the opportunity. Another thing I learned is Hagerty is now insuring that track, so one point this year I'm going to be taking the Z06 out to the track and see what kind of time I can really put down. Really looking forward to that. In other news, Honda announced they're going to do a facelift for the Civic Type R and the Integra Type S. Okay, what's this about? So I'm interested in seeing how that's going to turn out. So I'm thinking, at least from the article that I saw, there will be maybe some interior refreshments. So interior, exterior, so mid-life, recycle. I would be willing to bet they're going to improve the dampening module on the Type R because of how stiff it is and how much feedback people have given. I mean, really complaints, but because it is too stiff even for track use. So if they're going to change anything, I would think that they're going to change that. Well, people in Texas do not know how to use a roundabout. The Z06 motor. I love 3 pedals. I love driving manual, but the fact that this motor is so great makes me forget. It just does. I want to remind you all something. God has not given us a spirit of fear. He's given us one of peace, of love, of a sound mind. We're not to walk in this world fearful. We don't fear men. We don't fear people in this world. As it's written, don't fear the one that can kill the body, but fear the one that can destroy both the body and the soul. There's no reason for us to be fearful of this world and the things in this world, no matter what the circumstance is. Whatever the current events are, trust in the Lord. Put your faith in Him. He's not given us a spirit of confusion. That comes from the enemy. That does not come from God. So I just encourage you to dig into that, to lean into that. We have nothing to worry about. Yes, we have hard times. There's things that are going to happen, but the Lord will deliver you out of all of them. He'll deliver you out of your troubles. Remember, faith the size of a mustard seed. That's deep. It's deeper than a little conversation that I'm having with you here on YouTube, but this is serving as a reminder. I've been seeing a lot of people walking in fear, and I don't want that for you. I don't want that for anybody. I want you to have peace. I want you to have a sound mind, because I know that's what the Lord wants you to have. So be of good cheer. Fear not. That's it. You know I'm hitting the track. I have my first big upgrade for the C8 Z06 coming. And it's more of an aesthetic mod. Here's a hint. My next video will likely be, my next video will be my track footage, but the video after that will likely be this one. I'm gonna do that on Monday. I'm gonna have to leave you all with an acceleration up here. God bless you and your families. Yeah, the GTST is usually rear-wheel drive, different body panels, different hood. They're cool cars, but if push come to FDR X7, even if unreliability, there's so much fun. He's going muddy, it's RS too.
Yeah, cereal box.
Yeah.
Was it rusted or?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, rusted out. You get the testosterone going, but there's a saying.